Another awesome bullet matte lipstick from Maybelline. The Maybelline Ultimatte lipstick come in 10 different shades and there is a very interesting shade range. It has neutrals, reds, pinks and mauve, so you can choose whatever shade you prefer. What's different in these lipsticks? They are made with lightweight blurring formula, high impact pigment and extreme matte finish with non-drying formula. This might be the exact reason why you want to buy this lipstick. Hi, welcome to Peppy Sage and I am Shubha. If you are new here, please consider subscribing my channel because here we talk a lot about makeup product reviews which are always unbiased. We talk about a lot of fashion and lifestyle. First, let's talk about the packaging of the product. It's lightweight and slim as you can see, and the gradient on the packaging make it look very attractive, and you can carry it because of the weight and the kind of packaging it has. You can carry it anywhere, everywhere. Like you can put it, throw it in your bag and you are good to go. It doesn't take a lot of space at all. And the color coding on the packaging is more or less the same as the product inside. So you can get a glimpse of the color on the outer packaging while you buy, and even while it is sitting on your stack, it is easy to find out that this is the color you want to wear for today. This is a retractable pencil, and due to the shape of the bullet, it makes very easy to apply on, especially on thinner lips. So if you are somebody who like to use lip brushes for that thin application, I think this kind of a bullet will help you to apply precisely on the lips. Even for fuller lips, you can apply this lipstick as a liner first from the bullet itself, and then you can fill in your lips. It can go both ways. Now let's talk about the formulation of this lipstick. I will swatch it on the back of my hand to show you. The formula of the lipstick is extremely comfortable. It's very creamy and it is non-drying. This is enriched with jojoba oil, and all these things are coming from somebody who has extremely dry lips. I can understand your problem, what happens when we specially apply, matte lipsticks. This is going to settle as a matte lipstick. It is in a bullet formula, but it is also enriched with, good things like jojoba oil. So it is going to keep your lips moisturized all the time. This lipstick also feels very lightweight on your lips, as if you don't have any product, any heavy product. Mostly liquid lipsticks, what happen with that is when we apply liquid lipstick on our lips, it gives that heavy feeling, but with this one it is not going to be heavy at all to your lips. If you are someone who is into soft blurring lipsticks, then this is the one for you. Due to the high pigment, you can use it in a blurring way, like you just dab the lipstick on your lips, and it is made in a technology in which it gives you that blurring effect. Otherwise, you can have 2 coats on your lips and that will give you a high impact lipstick, like fuller lipsticks. However, no matter how much you layer this lipsticks on your lips, this is not at all going to dry your lips out. The Ultimatte Maybelline lipstick retail for 509 rupees in Nykaa, and it has a 1.7 grams of product. So according to me, these are handy, as well as the shade range has a variety of colors to choose from, from pinks to reds to neutral. These could be your regular wear lipstick as well as those special occasion lipsticks as well. So if you are somebody who has dry lips and want a lipstick which is matte but does not settle into your lines of the lips, this is one such formula. Even if you are somebody who like soft blurring formula of lipstick, then you can go for this one. I have 3 of the shades of this lipsticks with me. In Singapore, only 5 shades were available out of 10, and I picked up 3 because the other 2 looked very similar from what I have picked. So today I will swatch it for you. So first I'll be swatching this one, which is more taupe. This is one of the best selling shades from this range. So we will start with the lightest one. This is more taupe. So this is how more taupe looks like. This is such an everyday color that you can wear it to your office, at home and anywhere. Like this is a nude shade for me. You can see that this is blurring on the lips, like it is not very hard lipstick. So if you want, you can just layer up this lipstick once more. Just like that, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. I'm telling you, this is This is such a nice pigmented lipstick. It has a high amount of pigment in it. The next shade that I have here is more rust. So I'm more into these kind of rusty shades. If you're afraid of wearing reds all the time, rust comes to your rescue. So this is more rust. One more coat of more rust. Now we have the red here. This is the more scarlet, and yeah, I love it so much. This is very gorgeous. And these lipsticks, it stays on your lips for around 8 to 10 hours, though they say that it will stay for 16 hours, but I haven't tried that yet. Still it stays for good 8 to 10 hours, and it doesn't blot your lips. Like after you remove it, your lips doesn't feel patchy at all. So this is the blurring effect of the lipstick, and with just one coat it looks like this. These lipsticks also survive after a meal, but I always carry that with me because it is so sleek and it doesn't take up space at all. So you can do the same, and these are the lovely 3 shades that I shared with you. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite shade. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and I love you all. Bye bye.